Hello.
Okay, you ready for the first question?
Yes.
Hi everyone, I'm Carmel, the Prefect of Performing Arts.
And I'm Ben, the Prefect of Christian Life.
This year we've seen students at Opac achieve excellence in a variety of ways.
We've asked our students how they've achieved their best in 2025 and how their faith has supported them through it.
And this is what faith-fueled excellence at Opac looks like.
What does it mean to strive for excellence?
Keep trying and don't stop trying.
Doing your best and putting yourself out there as much as you can.
Just try to give it your all.
You put in a lot of effort and you don't give up easily.
Try your hardest no matter what.
To keep going even when it gets hard and never stop.
If you want to do something, just stick to it.
Doing everything I can in my ability to get to my goal or goals that I've made.
What did you work hard on this year?
My sentence and my reading and my maths.
This year I tried really hard to build new friendships that are strong. I tried focusing more on studying and praying more, and I tried also reading through the Bible.
And my science.
I worked really hard on our music performance assessment. It was about like 2 months every day working on that for the performance.
The musical, because a lot of rehearsal goes into that.
And my geography. Probably my spelling, because I try my best to listen carefully of what the questions are. Try my best to answer it or just mark my mistakes.
In dance group, I tried very hard and also maintaining good friendships.
I tried really hard on my reading. I started reading big books and big words. Everything.
What helped you keep going when things got challenging?
My parents, they helped me talk to me and my friends, they helped me, and my sister.
My teachers and my friends. Trying to read big words, and my teacher helped me sound them out.
I think having a good support group around you, like friends and family who are not only there for you to talk to and be an outlet, but also there to encourage you and support you through what you're doing.
My teachers, especially my math teacher and my homeroom teacher, and my friends, because they're always supportive, and my mum.
I had the ongoing support from my family and friends and teachers, and I knew that they would support me through my whole journey of Year 9.
My big brain and my teacher, Miss Phillips.
How can faith help someone do their best?
When I'm frustrated or stressed, I pray, and it just helps me put one foot in front of the other, and I can just keep going.
He's always there with us, and he'll never let you down. You just ask him for help, and he'll always be with you when you need it the most.
Even though you can't see him, you can hear him in your heart, and whenever things get tough for me, I just hear him say, keep going, you can do it, I know you can do it.
If I'm feeling unconfident or not doing the best, I pray and he'll guide me through.
When I always pray to him, he helps me get more better at all the things I do in my class.
If you're doing everything for the glory of God, it means that you'll automatically have the mindset of doing everything to the best of your ability.
What would you say to a friend who wants to get better at something?
Achieve your excellence. Don't try and achieve other people's definition of excellence. As long as you're trying your best, that's what excellence is.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just try your best and know that God's always with you. He's by your side, and yeah, he'll always be there to comfort you.
I would say just keep trying and just don't stop trying, and keep trying and trying and trying.
Well, just to try their best, and if they have a goal, just stick to it and don't give up.
Just have faith in Jesus. He'll just help you whenever you need it, at your highest and your lowest. But just to keep committing, even if they don't see a difference, it all just makes slight differences. The more that you do, the more that you achieve.
A good place to start is knowing your goals and knowing where you what you do want to achieve is taking small steps towards something bigger, and you end up looking back on it and it's just yeah, I did that.
Thank you to our families, friends and teachers who have supported us along the way in 2025.
As we look towards 2026, let us keep growing together and striving for excellence in everything we do.
We'll see you soon.
Right, you know what? That was actually the last one. So you're literally all done. Good job.